Wall Street, which is riding a wave of optimism as it is extending its winning streak, and all eyes are now on the upcoming U.S. Fed Reserve speakers. The bulls continued their charge on Wall Street, all major indices notching up yet another day of gains after Thursday and Friday last week. Monday night too was absolutely smashing. Investors seem to be fueled by both strong corporate earnings reports and the economic data coming out from the U.S., leaving Wall Street awash with green. This Reuters report tells you all about the latest buoyancy on Wall Street and also gives you a comprehensive analysis of what the Fed speakers have to say as we continue to follow this roller coaster ride. Take a look.
U.S. stocks closed slightly higher on Monday as investors awaited guidance from a host of Federal Reserve policymakers later in the week on the central bank's policy path, with a large amount of bond supply also due to hit the market. Last week, equities posted their biggest weekly percentage gain in about a year. On Monday, the Dow added 0.1%, the S&P 500 climbed nearly 0.2%, and the nasdaq 0.3%. The Fed is expected to hold interest rates steady for the next 6 months, according to the CME FedWatch tool. FM Acceleration Senior Portfolio Manager Francisco Bideau doesn't see them changing anytime soon either.
I think they're pretty much set where they are right now. They took a pause until the last meeting, and I believe that they're going to continue to pause for a while longer. That's not to say that if inflation does uptick in a serious way, they won't take any action. I think they are credible. And, they have to be credible because they need to manage future expectations on inflation and so on.
Fed Chair Jerome Powell speaks Wednesday with remarks from the Fed presidents of New York and Dallas on tap this week, too. Stocks making moves included Dish Network, which lost nearly 40% of its value and fell to a 25-year low after the pay TV provider missed third-quarter revenue estimates and said the CEO will step down from the role. And Bumble, which fell 4%, as the dating app operator said its founder and CEO, Whitney Wolfe Herd, will step down as chief executive.